Welcome to this video. In this video, I will try to explain how we can copy the data from one table to another table, or how we can create a table from existing table. Now suppose we have a very large table, and out of that table we want to create the table as per our requirement. Suppose we are not interested in all the records of that table, but we want to create a small table from there where we have all the records of our interest. For example, there may be a lot of departments in some table, and we may be interested in only the records that are related to some particular department. Similarly, there may be a lot of records related to all the countries in a very large table, but sometimes may be interested in the records of a particular country or region only. And sometimes we may want to exchange this information with some other users where we are not interested in showing all the remaining records to the users. How we can do that thing? In this example, I am using a table orders where we have 5,000 rows in that table, and I imported those records by using import facility in SQL Developer. Those records were originally present in some CSV file. If you don't know how we can import CSV files in SQL tables, then you must watch my previous video. So let us suppose you know that how we can create a table and how we can import the CSV files in our SQL tables. So let us see what are the contents first, and then we'll be creating a table from this table. The name of the table is orders, its contents first. You can see that there are 5,000 rows present there in this table, and suppose I want to create a new table where I will be storing the records related to country India only. So let us see how we can create the table from this table, or how we can copy contents from this table into the new table, and only the specific records where some condition will be fulfilled. So we have the create command there to create any table. Then let us say the new table to be created is India records or India orders. Then copy the data from this existing table. We need to use this add with select command, and then we need to give the select command in appropriate way so that we are able to select only those records which we want to copy in this new table, that is India orders. So I'm interested in all the columns, so I'm using here star, and the name of the table is orders, and where the condition country is equal, that is basically known as a subquery in SQL. So these semicolons after this parenthesis. So that is known as a subquery in SQL, and results of these or the statement will be assigned to the outer query. So whatever the records will be retrieved by this internal select command, that will be given to this create table command. So let's run this command. Now you can see that this table India orders has been created. Now select the contents. Let us see what are the contents of this table now. Yes, now you can see that we have created this new table where only these 25 records are present. So in this way you can create a table from any existing table and can copy the data from at the same time. Hope you have understood the basic concept. Thank you.